Buckle up for the cutest Easter dessert you've ever seen. We're starting here with Twinkies and some mini Oreos. Just grab your Oreos and any icing that you'd like and add some to the Oreo and stick it right onto your Twinkie. I'm adding 4 total here and pinching those in. Next, you'll need some Peeps. I'm using yellow and pink, but use any color that you like. And now bring it on top of your Twinkie, and we're using that to size. So I'm using a paring knife to just cut out a square, and now you can fit your Peep inside. Next, you'll need some mini pretzels, and I'm using some white candy melts. We're melting those down, and now you can dunk your pretzels. I like to use a kebab stick. It just makes it so much less messy. These will dry really quick, which is awesome because now we're slicing a little hole for them, and now you can poke that right into the Twinkie. I'm setting up this one right here. We're adding those Oreos to the side. If you want to use a different mini cookie, totally feel free, as long as it's mini. Add in our pretzel. This is really so easy to do. I have a bunch of these that I'm making on a cutting board here. And now check out these little Peep mobiles. Our bunnies are on the move. And check out how adorable they look. I really can't even handle how cute these are. And most importantly, there is no way that my big bunny that was hanging out with us doesn't approve. These are the cutest dessert on the planet. I love it. Bunny mobiles, come on. The little pretzel steering wheel just has me sent. Honestly, this could be in that category of too cute to eat. So cute. Let me know what you think of this one. If you have kids, this would be so cute for Easter. I wonder if Peeps drive fast. Let me know what you think in the comments about this one, and I'm wishing you all a happy Easter. All right, and welcome to my little bonus tips and tricks section here. This one is super straightforward, so I only have a couple tips and tricks for this. Number 1, I did notice that they sold chocolate covered pretzels in the store. The grocery store I was at only had them chocolate covered, not white chocolate covered. And I felt like the white just went better with Easter, so I decided to do it myself. But if that is not in the cards for you, you're looking for something a little bit quicker, you can go ahead and just buy the chocolate dipped ones, or you can go ahead and just use regular pretzels. You might lose a couple style points, but other than that, it's gonna be practically the same. And honestly, if you think about it, steering wheels are usually dark colored, so I feel like it's just more realistic. So if you wanna save a step, that's a cool, easy way to do it. I know I used it in the video, but I do recommend using a yellow frosting. I feel like it really blends and you can barely tell that that's actually what's keeping the Oreos on the Twinkies. Another color might just stand out a little bit more, but either way, I think it's still fine. As for the Peeps, just be careful when you're buying these. These are not the chick Peeps, but these are the bunny Peeps. The little chickie Peeps will not sit in their little seats, so you just want to be careful that you're getting the bunnies. That felt like a ridiculous thing to say, but it's true. The bunnies sit upright in their seats. I also saw little mini 𝐬𝐝𝐴, and I think that would be cute too for the wheels. I went with the Oreos because I thought that was more realistic. I wanted the black tire look, so I went with the Oreos. But you can always modify everything that I do. I'm just showing you what I do. And you can even use more colors than I did. Really a lot of options here. And then I was thinking about it. I was really torn between using Twinkies and butterscotch crimpets. Butterscotch crimpets have always been my all-time favorite. The only thing is that means that there would be frosting on top, so it might be a little messy, but it would be, I think, more delicious than Twinkies. So up to you. You could also do that as well. I hope you're all as obsessed with these as I am. I really cannot get enough of these. If I had more people coming over, I would make even more. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe if you enjoy watching my videos. I certainly enjoy that you're watching so that I have people to make videos for. As always, thank you for watching. Happy Easter, everyone.